set to share her views.
Good afternoon, everyone. It gives me great pleasure to speak about the ever dynamic and visionary headmaster, Father Valerian Carvalho. Very few people are lucky to have a cool headmaster, and I think we are the lucky ones. Father, your steady hand and your leadership have benefited our school and set us in the right direction. We know it isn't easy to run a school. You have to deal with students, parents, teachers, the board, the contractors, and so much more. But you handle it with class and determination. You've been through some real challenges in your journey so far. May you sail through all the obstacles and challenges that come your way towards success. You've taken our school up a ladder through your leadership and unwavering dedication. We want you to know that we have noticed. Today is a day to reflect on all your accomplishments and our school's accomplishments, because we know that we owe them to your leadership. And we pray that you may have many more birthdays, fine times, and great memories with your loved ones. Thank you.
Here's wishing our headmaster, Father Valerian, a very hearty birthday wish, sending laughter and joy your way today and every day of your life. Felicitations to you on this your big day. I have come up with something nice and hope it makes your day. An acronym on your name. Here straight from my heart. Be a very nice person to know. Sometimes amazing, sometimes fantastic, incredible, and a seeker of phenomenal outcome. A stands for appealing person, interested in the welfare of the institute and of the people he is concerned with, never fails to applaud efforts, a well-deserved performance, an ardent headmaster, a well-deserved and ardent well-wisher of his students, St. Thomas Boys High School. L puts in laborious work for the upbringing of St. Thomas Boys High School, the edifice, the literary build-up of the school in terms of activities, may it be organizing meetups with parents, celebration of days of significance, a write-up on any topic, setting up of the school for board exams, setting up question papers, or anything related to the school. E, entertaining, goes all out to entertain. For example, today's meal and things to come. He is entertaining also when programs for sports has to be set up, or a service, or maybe a prayer or a cultural program, or even an event like a quiz, or for that matter a debate. He is inquiring. For example, I was not well a few days back, and he was on a phone call while I was descending the flight of stairs. He took the trouble to ask me to inquire how I was feeling as he was talking. So he is enterprising, takes up bold and difficult tasks. He is a work enthusiast who knows to lure and entice his teachers to give their best at any task that he challenges you with. R, he believes in celebrating differences to plan out or to take us out on razzles, outings. He is reachable when it is anything to do with the institute, always available for advice and support. I, he is never idle, always on the move. He tries to imbue, inspire, instill his teachers with a love of living a vibrant and enthusiastic life, devoted to the growth and betterment of his students. A. His vivacious presence animates us to strive for higher class and outcome in our undertakings. N. He is always up to something new, though many of his ideas are newfangled, which means something new but out of the way. Sometimes it is difficult to understand, but I have tried to put my words as best as I can. Happy birthday, Father. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, Teacher Juliana. The much awaited moment of any birthday party. Do you know what it is? Yes. Are you all waiting for it? Yes, indeed. It's the cake cutting and the birthday song. So we are all set to cut the birthday cake and wish loads of happiness and health to our dear headmaster. Before cutting of the cake, we have a medley of birthday songs before you. So I request all the teachers to take their places.
Go closer.
मध्ये राहता